Alright, so what is going on, guys? Nine back here with another video, and today I have something amazing that you guys will probably want to see. Let me just shut my door real quick. I was not prepared for this. But we got an ASUS monitor. Now, it's 1 millisecond response time, 2 HDMI ports, DVI port, a bunch of different ports, but LED blacklight, I don't know what that means. 80 million to 1 high contrast, I don't know what that means. I don't know what any of this means. All I wanted was 1 millisecond response time monitor, and that's what I got. We are going to open it now. Hopefully you guys can see that. Yes, you can. Okay. Alright. Pull this out. Hopefully I don't drop it. Papers. And that's all that's in the box. Alright, so we got the stand for it, for the monitor, and then the power cable. No, the power cable. Yeah, these both power cable, I'm retarded. And then DIV to HDMI cord right there. Let me get it in shot. There you go. And then what's this? Can't remember. Aux cord, I think. And then VGA cables. So we're gonna take the this foam stuff off. We are going to take a look at the monitor itself. Oh my god. Beautiful. Let's take the plastic off. Oh, look at that. Now, you got the HDMI 2, and then VGA, and then headphone jack and something else. 1 millisecond response time. Start taking the plastic off. That's a beautiful noise. Look at that. The buttons are down here to turn it on, change everything. If you can see that. Yeah, right there. Look at this thing. This thing's a monster. Let me just show you comparison to my arm. Now, I am 5'6". Pretty small for my age, I think. I don't know. But that's about half my body length right there. 24 inches is the screen, of course. So I think we're just gonna put the stand on. This is the stand. Looks like one of those Tron discs. You're gonna take off the plastic. And then we're gonna put this on just like that. We twist it on with this thing. How do you... Which way does it twist on? Righty tighty, lefty loosey. That's it. Connected to my bed. Jesus. I have to mark. Let's see if we can. Oh. Look at that. This is it standing up. You guys can't really see that. That is the entire monitor right there within the screen. Thing's a monster. 1 millisecond response time. I'm going from 5 millisecond to 1 millisecond. If you don't know what that means, it's practically whenever you move your controller or mouse or whatever, it happens on screen instantly. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go plug this in and we're gonna see how it looks on my desk. See you guys in a few minutes. Alright guys, I have it hooked up and everything. This is it right here. I think I turned it on. Yeah, it was on. Let me just hold up. I gotta turn on the PS4. We're gonna turn on the monitor. My God, look at that. Now it should fit the entire screen and look good. I'm going from that tiny little, I think that's 18 inches or something, to 24. Oh my God. So fast. Like, watch this, watch this. As soon as I... Like, it's as soon as I do that. I'm gonna be recording... not Minecraft. I'm gonna be recording Call of Duty, Rocket League, all that kind of stuff. Let's see if we can... Display settings. Let's turn that up a tiny bit more. Video output. Resolution. Let's see if we can go 1080p. It can. This is amazing, guys. I just want to say, if you're looking for a monitor, get this one. ASUS 24-inch, 1 millisecond, black monitor. This is my computer next to it. I think that's a 15-inch, and then that's